6 Maintenance Tips for Longevity of Heavy Equipment Part 1. No company likes downtime, whether it's a mining operation or a manufacturing plant. Unplanned downtime incurs significant financial expenses and may lead your company to lose its competitive advantage. According to a survey sponsored by ServiceMax and done by Vanson Bourne of GE Digital during the last 3 years, 82% of businesses have encountered unanticipated downtime. The disruptions lasted an average of 4 hours and cost $2 million each. As a result, over 72% of businesses have made zero unexpected downtime a top objective. Heavy machinery, on the other hand, is the lifeblood of most manufacturing operations. The best approach to minimize unforeseen downtime is to do proactive maintenance on your heavy gear. Preventive maintenance also improves performance, reduces fuel and energy use, and promotes a safe workplace. Here's how to keep your big machinery in good shape and make them last longer. Ensure regular lubricant replacements. Lubricants are required for the proper operation of all types of heavy equipment. These liquids minimize friction between moving parts, resulting in less wear and tear. By reducing soot formation, the lubricants also assist keep the inside of heavy machinery clean. Keep in mind the following. Check the lubricant level on a regular basis. Regularly inspect for excessive grease buildup and oil seal leakage. Always use the lubricant suggested by the manufacturer or specified in the operator's handbook. Make sure you are using the proper amount of lubrication. You risk greater friction and wear and tear if you apply too little lubrication. Excessive lubrication, on the other hand, causes grease buildup and performance problems. Clean the machines thoroughly. Cleaning thoroughly is just as important as keeping the lubricant levels in check. Regrettably, most businesses pay little attention to this stage. Filters, seals, cooling fans, and vents can become clogged with soot, grit, and dust, reducing overall performance over time. Make sure to thoroughly inspect each component of your apparatus. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.